there's 4 pages. There's 4 pages. You want 4 pages? No.
Okay, let's go.
There's 4 pages in there. Why does it want 4 pages?
Yes, we picked Noah book. Noah's Ark. It's a good one. We didn't do this one in a long time.
Yeah. I sit down here every day.
No, why don't you sit right here? It's a good spot because I can put the book over here and we can all read together.
Yeah. That was hard.
Everyone got their buddies?
Yeah. I don't get it. Hey, you skipped the page.
I did? How?
I put it in a bed by accident.
Oh. You thought she might not want it until she went to her crib? Noah.
I was going to put it in my bed.
God saw wickedness. God saw wickedness across the land and decided upon a mighty plan. He called on Noah, so righteous and good, to build an ark from strong, hard wood.
Yeah.
God announced that a flood was near, and people and animals would disappear. But the Lord told Noah what to do. Bring all of the animals, 2 by 2.
Well, thank you.
Lions and hippos
Hey.
and cows that go.
What's hippo? What's hippo?
Yeah.
Oh.
And cows that go.
Ooh.
Chickens and rhinos and elephants that go. And elephants that go.
Zebra.
What does an elephant do, Lily?
What does a zebra do?
The ark will keep you
What
all.
does it say? What does it say?
You know.
Ba, ba,
Yeah.
ba, ba, ba. Whoa.
Lion.
Whoa, whoa. What does this say?
That's a camel.
Yeah, what does that say?
Yep, that's the elephant.
What's this giraffe do?
Giraffe eats plants. He goes. I'm eating a tree.
What does the butterfly say?
Fly, fly. Lions and hippos and cows that go moo. Chickens and rhinos and elephants too. The ark will keep you all safe and dry when the flood begins and the water is high. For 40 days, God made it pour. Then suddenly, it rains no more. But the deep, deep water was all around. Noah sent a dove to search for ground. The bird returned with the branch of a tree. Land was found. The ark was free. Then God sent a rainbow as a sign, a gift of His love that forever will shine. And the bunnies. Good book, guys.
See the bird?
Yep, that's the dove.
Yep.
Flying back with his branch.
Yep.
You did a good job. You did a good job.
He did a good job.
Yep. I gotta go get Lily a little cream, please.
Mama! Mama! Where's Mama?
What? You know where Mama is. I'm gonna have to go to the dentist. Come.
Where's Mama?
She's going to the dentist.